Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make Kashmiri Lal Paneer. So for the vegetarians, it's yet another paneer dish to their collection. This is very easy to make, very few ingredients and extremely tasty. So for the detailed ingredients list, you can check out the description box. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And let's look at the ingredients. So paneer is the main ingredient. I've already gone ahead and deep fried them to a golden brown color in here. The choice of doing a shallow fry or a deep fry is up to you. I've just gone ahead and done it to save time. In here we have a few whole spices, that is black cumin, white cumin, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. In here we have fennel powder, dry ginger powder, asafoetida, turmeric and red chili powder. We'll also require a little bit of curd, some water as per requirement and oil. So let's start making the dish. In here I've got a pan on fire. It's on low heat. I poured around 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of oil into it. Now in goes the whole spices. That's the cinnamon, 1 cardamom, the black cardamom, cloves, half of the white cumin. We'll also add in hing or asafoetida. On low to medium heat, we are just going to fry these spices. Once the spices start giving out their aroma, in here I've got 2 tablespoons of water and the red chili powder. I've mixed it together and kept it ready. Now bring the flame down and pour this mixture into the pan. Saute it for a minute. So that the chili mixes well with the oil. This chili is mixed. Now you add in curd, which I have mentioned in the ingredients. Now we have to mix till the curd combines with the red chili and the oil, and there must be no white left. So the curd's mixed with the red chili and the oil and it's cooked. Now in goes masala powders, that is turmeric, ginger powder and fennel powder. Mix it together. Masalas are cooked. Now I'm going to add in the paneer. Mix it well. I'm going to add a little bit of water and then we'll close and keep this for cooking. I've added a little bit of water and added salt. Now I'm going to close this and let it cook for a few minutes. So in a couple of minutes I'm going to just stir the paneer. Now on medium heat we're going to put the lid on and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes or until the water is absorbed. So let's wait for that. So you can see the paneer has absorbed the liquid and the oil has come out right here. So this is ready. Now we just add in the garam masala powder, that is the white cumin, black cumin and 1 cardamom. Add a little bit of that masala on the top. Mix it once more. And the lal paneer is ready. You can serve this with roti or rice. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how you found it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.